Aero price prediction. In yesterday's video, I gave you this long right here, which was beautiful. We got a very nice long opportunity. And after that, right now, I'm interested in shorting. I'm going to short to the 50 EMA, just like I did with the long 50 EMA. I can move it if VWAP goes higher, but this is basically how we're planning to do the short. We have longs being closed, the large amounts of longs closed right here, 229K, which for Aero and Aero's liquidity is good. So that's pretty much it. I won't waste a second of your time. If you want to follow every single trade I do, I have 262 profit on cake profit and 28K here. Use the link in the description down below. This is for 30 days. This is just on one wallet. This is for 60 days. This is for 9 days. This is for max. This is after I got hacked in March. Build this in 6 months with nothing, literally. If you want to follow my trades and learn how I trade, use the link in the description down below for my course. I'll be updating it with new stuff. And see you next video.